Hi garden friends, and thanks for tuning into the Lawn and Garden channel. Today we are going to cover 5 of the best garden tools to have. I will provide a link for each tool in this video's description. Please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Alrighty then, let's get started. Number 5. Transform your gardening experience with this premium garden kneeler. Featuring a 10-inch EVA seat for superior knee and waist support. This stool boasts a scientifically designed structure and high-quality PP material for ultimate stability, wear resistance, and anti-slip properties. The finely textured EVA surface enhances comfort, and the stylish large logo adds a modern touch, making it the perfect gift for gardening enthusiasts. Beautifully packaged, it's ideal for moms, dads, grandmothers, and elders who love to garden. With a 500-day worry-free warranty, you can buy with confidence. Number 4. Upgrade your gardening arsenal with this heavy-duty 4-tine hand cultivator, perfect for weeding overgrown flower beds, tackling hard desert dirt, and seeding vegetables even in compacted ground. Featuring a carbon steel stirrup hoe blade with a sharp end, this tool makes it easy to scrape or rip out weeds. Its thickened 1 1/7 diameter stainless steel handle is sturdy yet lightweight, ideal for regular yard work without breaking. The adjustable long handle, extending from 32 to 62 inches, ensures comfort whether standing or sitting, and it's easy to assemble in just 5 minutes with no extra tools needed. With a 2-year warranty, you can buy with confidence. The link is in this video description. Number 3. Discover the timeless efficiency of Grandpa's Weeder, an old-school, easy-to-use tool that's been a gardener's best friend since 1913. With its 45-inch stand-up bamboo long handle, you can effortlessly remove weeds without bending, pulling, or kneeling, saving your back and knees. This original weeding tool, known for its strength and durability, features a 4-claw design perfect for tackling weeds in softer soil, especially after watering or rainfall. Safe for children, pets, and the environment, it controls weeds without harmful chemicals. Proudly made by a family-owned American company in the Pacific Northwest, Grandpa's Weeder continues to provide reliable, eco-friendly weeding solutions. Number 2. Elevate your gardening with this comprehensive 7-in-1 garden tool set. Featuring a large trowel, small trowel, cultivator, hand rake, weeder, pruning shears, and a durable Oxford cloth tote. Made from robust, rust-resistant stainless steel, these high-quality tools are designed to cut through thick weeds and fix up your garden with ease. The sturdy 600D Oxford cloth tote has deep pockets and elastic cords to keep your tools organized and easily transportable. Each tool boasts an ergonomically designed, non-slip handle for a comfortable grip, reducing wrist and hand strain. Ideal as a gift for gardening enthusiasts on Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. Our premium garden tool set ensures satisfaction and durability. Number 1. Enhance your gardening efficiency with my personal favorite, the Electric Pruning Shears, forged from Swiss SK5 high-carbon steel for rust-proof, powerful performance. Capable of quickly cutting branches over 25 millimeters without breaking down, these shears are a must-have for serious gardeners. Safety first. Featuring a double-switch design, these shears require pressing both switches simultaneously, ensuring a safer operation and preventing accidents. The detachable extension pole and 7-position adjustable head allow you to effortlessly trim at various angles up to 12 feet, eliminating the need for a ladder. With a wide range of uses, this cordless pruning shear is perfect for gardens, greenhouses, parks, farms, orchards, and more, boosting your work efficiency by 300%. Well friends, there you have it, the 5 essential tools that every gardener must have. Remember that the links to each product are in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe.